Here is a quick update on the art kit after working with it for about an hour. So you may notice some materials are gone, and I was able to finish 4 pages. And I'm a little bit frustrated because I had planned on this being an entire Van Gogh book, and there's no way that I'm almost all the way out of the Van Gogh papers, and I just have the Monets and the Matisses left, so I could abandon the idea of a Van Gogh book and I could just go straight into an Impressionist book. But I wanted to make a book for each of my favorite Impressionists, and so I felt like it was fitting that for my first I would start off with Van Gogh, and it would be a bit chaotic. But I'll do a flip through someday. But my biggest gripe so far is just, I love the paper. The stickers are terrible. This is my first ever art journal. What I am doing is I've just only added in glue and scissors because I don't have a stash yet. And so, yeah, most of these looking up right now are either Monet or Matisse, and I love that. We still do have a few of the Van Gogh over there and one Mucha. But like none of these stickers are Van Gogh. Oh, that one is, and that one is. The stickers are really hard to get off, and so now I understand why everyone uses tweezers. So I'm going to need to get some tweezers, and I think I'm going to take a bit of a break today and just decide how I want to proceed forward, because the goal was to straight up use one kit to fill the book that was provided. But no way are we, this is a lot of pages in this book, no way, even if I did all the Impressionists. So what I'm doing is, I guess we can do the flip through now. So artistic oil painting. And Art is a Living Mirror, started June 3rd, 2024, my first ever art journal. So I read a lot about Van Gogh, and I've watched a lot of documentaries. I laid these down just as the base, but they were so beautiful that I decided just to keep them there. And I wish that I had more of the big full-size pages, but most of the full-size pages are not Van Gogh's. And then, so I know a lot of interesting facts. So Van Gogh would learn color theory from black and white books. His use of colors across from each other on the color wheel is what creates this feeling of chaos. So Van Gogh studied color theory more than anyone I know, but because of it was the late 1800s, he would never see the color wheel in print, only in tones of black, I suppose. Need to add a bit more glue. This is the church at Auvers. And then I loved the larger pages so much, I wanted to make sure they weren't all right next to each other. So I was 41 when I learned that Starry Night was painted inside an asylum. And so there's still a lot to learn in the art journaling. I just wish I had more of these beautiful flats to use, but it might be good because I find myself being hesitant to cover up any of the Van Gogh. This is not the real Van Gogh paintings. This is just, it's been a lot of fun. It's been an interesting way to spend an afternoon. And so I'll keep going. I think I'm going to dig into my own supplies because I do have some Van Gogh postcards I can use. And I might wait to get some washi tape and, well, we need sunflowers, don't we? We need some sunflower stickers. So I'll get working on all of that, and then I'll do another flip through in a few days. Overall, I would give this kit about a 4 out of 10. I just really wish that it had stuck to one artist, and but maybe if you're not using the kit straight out of the box like I was, if you have other materials to supplement with, or you're just putting this in your stash for projects here and there, it's quite cool. But I really had my heart set on a total Van Gogh kit.